Next, we have to discuss about the relationships between the trigonometric ratios of an angle. Before that, we have to know about theta. Before that, we have to know about theta. What is theta? This symbol is known as theta. This is a Greek letter. This we generally used to denote an angle, just like a variable. Okay, so this is theta, which is used to denote an angle. Denote an angle. Okay, this is known as theta. Now consider this right triangle ABC. Here one of the angle A is mentioned as theta. Okay, so the side opposite to angle theta is BC. Side adjacent to angle theta is AB. Hypotenuse is the side opposite to right angle, that is AC. So we already discussed the relation between sine and cosec. Sine and cosec. What is the relation? Sine 1 by sine is equal cosec. Okay, 1 by sine A equal or sine theta equal cosec theta. Then 1 by cos theta equal sec theta. Then 1 by tan theta equal cot theta. Similarly, we can write 1 by cosec theta equal sin theta. 1 by sec theta equal cos theta. 1 by cot theta equal tan theta. Okay, so these three we can write. 1 by sin cosec, 1 by cosec sin. 1 by cos sec, 1 by sec cos. 1 by tan cot, 1 by cot tan. Then one more relationship is there. That means tan equal sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta equal sin theta by cos theta. Similarly, cot theta equal what? Its reciprocal. That is cos theta by sin theta. Okay, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. This is an additional relationship. Clear? So 1 by sin theta cosec theta, 1 by cosec theta sin theta, 1 by cos theta sec theta, 1 by sec cos theta, 1 by tan theta cot theta, 1 by cot theta tan theta. Then tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equal cos theta by sin theta. This relationship you should study. Okay, understand well and study properly. Now we can discuss exercise 8.1. First question. In right triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB equal 24 cm, BC equal 7 cm. Then determine, two sub-questions are there. First sub-question is sin A and cos A. Then second sub-question, determine sin C and cos C. Okay, AB and BC is common for that two sub-questions. So here figure is not given. So we have to draw the figure first. According to the question, we have to draw a right triangle ABC which is right angled at B. So A and C we can write anywhere, but B should be at right angle. Okay. Then in this figure we can mention the measures which are given. Here in the question it is given that AB equal 24 centimeter and BC equal 7 centimeter. AB equal 24 centimeter and BC is given as 7 centimeter. Okay. So anyway, we should find the third side. That means here it is the hypotenuse, side opposite to right angle. Okay. For finding that side, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. By the Pythagoras theorem, we can write hypotenuse square equal base square plus altitude square. Okay, by the Pythagoras theorem, we get what? AC square equal AB square plus BC square. Then we can substitute the values. So 24 square plus 7 square. What is 24 square? 24 into 24. That is equal 576. Plus 7 square is 49. So we can add them. Then what we will get? 625. So here AC square equals 625. So what is AC? Square root of 625. That we already know that 25 into 25 is 625. So we got the value of AC as 25. So we can write that in the figure. Clear? Then as first sub question, we have to find sin A and cos A. Okay. So we can look at the figure, and for sin A, with respect to angle A, which is opposite 7, which is hypotenuse 25. That means BC by AC, that is sin A. Then what is cos A? Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. So we can write sin A equal BC by AC and cos A equal AB by AC. So we can give the value. BC is given as 7, AC we got as 25. Then AB is given as 24 and AC we got as 25. We can't simplify them, so this is only the answer. So we got sin A 7 by 25, cos A 24 by 25. Then as second sub question, we have to find sin C and cos C. Okay, so according to the figure, we want to find the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle C. So opposite by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC, is sin C. Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, that is cos C. Okay, so here we can write sin C equal AB by AC. AB is given as what? 24. Then AC we got as 25. Then cos C is adjacent side, that is BC by hypotenuse, that is equal 7 by 25. Okay, so here we got sin C and cos C. So anyway, first we should find the third side. Here only two sides are given, so we should find the third side, because we have to find sin cos, sin and cos. So for sin and cos, we have to get the value of hypotenuse. But here in the question, hypotenuse is not given. So first we should find the hypotenuse by the Pythagoras property. Clear? Now the second question. Okay. In given figure, find tan P minus cot R. Figure is given in the question, that is triangle PQR. PQR, which is right angled at Q, and PQ is 12 centimeter and PR is 13 centimeter. Okay, PQ is 12 and PR is 13. Then this is a right angled triangle which is right angled at Q. that is given in the question. So here we have to find tan P minus cot R. Tan P and cot R. For finding tan and cot, we should get opposite and adjacent. Okay, here with respect to P, opposite is not given, and at the same time with respect to R, adjacent is not given. So anyway, this third unknown side we want to find by which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. So by the Pythagoras theorem, we have to write PR square. Here the hypotenuse is side opposite to the right angle, that is PR. So hypotenuse square equal base square plus altitude square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now we have to find QR. So we can transpose and get QR square equal what? PR square minus PQ square. Okay, then we have to substitute the values. PR is 13. So 13 square minus PQ is 12. So 12 square. This is equal 13 square is 169. 12 square is 144. Then we can subtract them. Then what we will get? 25. So QR square equal 25. Then what is QR? Root 25. This is equal 5 centimeter. So now we got the unknown value QR as 5 centimeter. Okay. Then we have to find tan P and cot R. So tan P means opposite by adjacent. Then cot R means what? Adjacent by opposite. Clear? Tan P is opposite by adjacent. Cot R means adjacent by opposite. Clear? So we can find tan P. So from the figure we get tan P equal what? Opposite by adjacent. That is QR by PQ. So QR by PQ. So the value of QR we find out, that as 5. Then PQ is given as 12. So 5 by 12. Tan P equal 5 by 12. Similarly, we want to find cot R. So from the figure we get cot R means adjacent by opposite. So QR by PQ. So we have to write QR by PQ. That is equal, QR we already find out, that is 5, PQ is 12. So 5 by 12. Then according to the question we have to find tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R, that is equal 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. Tan P is 5 by 12, cot R is also 5 by 12. So tan P minus cot R is 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. So what it will be? 0. Both are same, no? When we subtract equal from equal, that means the difference between the equals is 0. So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 equals 0. So the value of tan P minus cot R is 0. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.